What if I revealed that your daily rice choice could be either a silent ally or a hidden foe for your kidney health? Most of us never pause to consider the impact of this staple food. But the truth is, not all rice is created equal when it comes to supporting your kidneys. Some varieties can gently aid your body's natural detox processes, while others may contribute to slow, unnoticed strain. You might not feel a thing until much later. In this video, I'll uncover the 3 specific types of rice that can help flush out toxins and promote kidney repair, including one common variety that's almost always used incorrectly. 1. White rice. It is perhaps the most unfairly judged food in our diets today. Just hearing the word white triggers assumptions of it being nutritionally empty or even damaging. It's been branded as a food to exclude, especially for those with kidney issues. Many people cut it out immediately, thinking it's the safest move. But what if this avoidance is actually creating more difficulty for your body? When we talk about kidney function, white rice serves a purpose that contradicts popular belief. Unlike whole grains, its milling process strips away the outer bran layer where most potassium and phosphorus reside. The end product is significantly lower in these minerals. For kidneys already under stress, processing excess potassium and phosphorus is a challenge. When these minerals accumulate, your kidneys must labor harder to filter them. This added effort can lead to increased tiredness, swelling, and discomfort. White rice, with its minimal mineral content, can lighten this load. Another aspect where white rice shines is digestibility. It's soft and easy on the stomach. For individuals who experience bloating or fatigue, heavy meals can sap energy. When your digestion operates smoothly, your body can allocate resources to critical tasks like waste elimination. This is why healthcare providers often suggest white rice for kidney-friendly eating. It's predictable, mild, and unlikely to upset sensitive systems. It provides calories and ease without overwhelming. However, white rice isn't meant to be eaten in isolation. Consuming huge portions daily, without variety, isn't the answer. It's low in fiber and deficient in vitamins on its own. View it instead as a blank canvas that supports more nutrient-dense foods. Preparation is key. Rinsing it well removes extra starch, and cooking with ample water reduces density. Steer clear of rich sauces and salty additives that hike up sodium. Pair white rice with kidney-friendly companions like steamed veggies, leafy greens, garlic, and modest lean protein. These combinations deliver nutrition and comfort without strain. So, white rice isn't the villain. Its worth is determined by how you use it. When consumed mindfully, it can be a gentle, steady energy source for a sustainable, kidney-supportive pattern. It is frequently seen as one of the most secure and well-rounded choices for those wanting to enjoy meals without taxing their kidneys. A common belief is that once kidney issues arise, all rice must go. But basmati rice breaks this rule. When selected and prepared right, it blends perfectly into a kidney-aware diet, offering energy without unnecessary burden. It is celebrated for its fragrance and naturally light, fluffy consistency. The white variety is particularly suitable. Since it is milled, much of the potassium and phosphorus is eliminated, reducing the mineral load on your kidneys. One standout trait is its low glycemic index. It releases sugar into the bloodstream slowly, helping avoid sudden blood sugar spikes crucial for protecting kidney blood vessels. For those managing both kidney and blood sugar concerns, this is a real edge. It also supplies energy in a gradual, sustained manner, diminishing post-meal heaviness. When digestion flows effortlessly, your kidneys can focus on fluid balance and filtration. Did you know its aroma and fluffiness naturally promote portion control? Smaller amounts feel ample, aiding in limiting mineral intake. This makes it a perfect pick for lasting habits, not a temporary diet. Proper preparation heightens its benefits. Rinsing thoroughly removes excess starch. Avoid heavy oils, creamy sauces, and too much salt to preserve its kidney-friendly qualities. It complements mild ingredients beautifully: steamed vegetables, boiled greens, and lean proteins like fish or chicken. Herbs, garlic, and onion boost flavor without stress. For more fiber, mixing a small portion of brown basmati with white can work, adding nutrients while keeping potassium in check. Remember, it isn't a miracle cure, but when used intelligently, it becomes a dependable base. It lets you enjoy familiar foods, delivers steady energy, and fits into a sustainable routine, keeping meals tasty and gentle on the body. 3. Jasmine rice. It is commonly ignored in conversations about kidney-friendly foods. Many presume all white rice is identical. But jasmine rice, when used properly, can assume a mild, supportive role. Its distinct texture, scent, and nutritional makeup make it more body-friendly than most expect. As a milled rice, it is naturally lower in potassium and phosphorus versus whole grain types. For kidneys under duress, this reduced mineral intake can help alleviate pressure. Its soft, somewhat sticky texture when cooked makes it easier to chew and digest, particularly for those feeling frail or bloated. Easier digestion means your body expends less energy on breaking down food, so your kidneys aren't compelled to work overtime. A key point many get wrong involves blood sugar. Jasmine rice has a moderate to high glycemic index, but this doesn't inherently make it bad. The impact hinges on consumption. Eaten in modest portions and combined with vegetables, healthy fats, or lean protein, its effect can be moderated. Stable blood sugar is vital to prevent straining blood vessels around the kidneys. Its adaptability is a major plus. It serves as a straightforward base for kidney-aware meals. Mix it with lightly steamed vegetables, greens, or small portions of lean protein. Mild herbs, garlic, or onion enhance taste without excessive sodium. Avoid thick sauces and processed seasonings. Preparation matters. Rinsing multiple times removes surface starch, and cooking with a bit more water enhances digestibility. Aim for rice that's fluffy and tender, not dense. Since it is fragrant and filling, smaller servings often suffice. Helping manage portions crucial for fluid and mineral balance. For variety, mix it occasionally with a little basmati or wild rice. This keeps meals engaging without departing from kidney-friendly guidelines. When used consciously, jasmine rice becomes a supportive element in a tranquil eating style. It doesn't offer cures, but it can lower dietary stress, assist digestion, and make daily meals feel lighter and more enjoyable. It's a practical, comforting selection that fits a balanced lifestyle. Conclusion: your kidneys don't recover in a day, but your daily dietary choices determine whether they continue to weaken or gradually mend. These 3 rice types aren't fads. They work because they lessen toxin accumulation, aid the body's innate filtration, and reduce the stress your kidneys face. When you select the appropriate rice, your kidneys don't have to struggle as much. Your daily rice choice can either ease or increase your kidneys' burden. Small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements. Begin modestly. Swap just one meal. Remain consistent. With time, your body will show gratitude through improved vitality, reduced swelling, and a cleansed internal system. If you want to discover more about what genuinely supports kidney health, subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle now. If this was helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more crucial insights. Drop a comment below with any questions.